Koalas possess a remarkable trait. Their fingerprints are strikingly similar to those of humans. In fact, forensic experts have noted that koala prints can be so closely aligned with human fingerprints that they could easily be mistaken for one another at a crime scene. This similarity arises from the unique patterns of ridges and whorls found on their digits. Interestingly, these prints aid koalas in gripping tree branches as they navigate their arboreal habitats. The implications of this similarity are profound, raising questions about animal identification in forensic science. Nature continually surprises us, and the koala is a prime example of its ingenuity. If you found this intriguing, don't forget to like and subscribe.